Hi students. See, today given the question, show that 1.272727 and so on equals to 1.27 bar can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. So here 1.27272727 and so on, this number, this decimal expansion. So this is non-terminating recurring decimal, this one. So it is a rational number. So that rational number, okay, can be expressed in the form P by Q. Okay, we convert P by Q form. So how to convert? See, check it. Solution. Let x equal to 1.27 bar. X equal to 1.27 bar. Like that you can take. If the 27 is repeated, that's why 27 bar. 27 bar means how many numbers having on the bar. Okay, that numbers repeating continuously. Okay, so see here, say how many numbers having the bar. So see that one, two numbers having the bar. So two numbers having the bar, you can multiply on both sides 100. Multiply on both sides 100. So 100 into x, 100x, that equals to 100 into 1.27 bar is 127.272727 and so on. Okay, so go to subtraction. This one, what given, that one, x equals to 1.272727 and so on. Go to subtraction, this one, 100x minus x. 100x minus x is 99x, that equals to 127 minus 1. So that is 126.220000 and so on. All we get zeros. So 99x, it is nothing but 99 into x. So that into will become division. X equal to 126 by 99. So go to cancellation, this one, any table. Okay, so here 9 table going, so 1 plus 2 plus 6, that is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So both numbers go to 9 table. 9 11 ja, 9 1 ja, 9 14, 4 ja. So x equal to 14 by 11. So you can check 14 by 11 is 1.27 bar. Okay, it is in the form of P by Q. So P is an integer and Q also integer. Say exercise 1.3, first question. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So this is a rational number. This is given problem. See, 36 by 100, 1 by 11, 4, 1 by 8, 3 by 13, still 3 having. Here, these all are rational numbers. It is in the form of P by Q. So, this, which type of decimal expansion they are asking that. So, that is terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals or non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals not getting here because of these are rational numbers. Simply, we get terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals. So, observe this. First one. Go to division method. First one, 36 by 100. So, we know that this is here by 100 having. So, we can write this is 0.36. It is terminating decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. Next, this is first one. Next, second one. What is the second one? See, 1 by 11. So, here 1 by 11. Here, what is this one? So go to division 11, 1. Yeah, it's not going, so that's why keep the 0.0 here. Yeah, again not going, so 0, 0, 11, 9 ja 99. So this is 1. Okay, so point already I kept, so that is 0. Again not going, so here 0, 0, 11, 9 ja 99. So 1, it's going like. Okay, so 1 by 11 equals to 0.090909 and so on. So it is a recurring decimal expansion, non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Next, third one. What is the third one? 4 1 by 8. It is mixed fraction given. First convert to improper fraction. 8 4 ja 32. 32 1 33. 33 by 8. So go to division. 8 33. Okay. So 8 4 ja 32. 1. It's not going, so keep the point. 0. 8 1 ja 8. So 2. Again 0. 8 2 ja 16. 4 remainder. Then keep the 0. 8 5 ja 40. So 0. So it is 4.125. 4.125. It is terminating decimal expansion. Remaining also go to same method. Now second problem, you know that 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansions of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Solution. See, how to find out? We know that 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857 bar. So here, how to find out the without long division method is 2 by 7 value. So here we can write that 2 by 7 is 2 into 1 by 7. Already we know that 2 into 1 by 7 value, we know that 0.142857 bar. That equals to, you go to multiplication, this one, 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10, 11, 2 8 is 16, 17, 2 2 is 4, 5, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2.0 bar. Okay. So now 3 by 7. How to find out the 3 by 7 value? This is also same thing. 3 into 1 by 7 equals to 3 into 1 by 7 value 0.142857 bar. That equals to, saying go to multiplication, 3 7 ja 21, 2 3 5 ja 15, 17, 3 8 ja 24, 26. Okay, 3 2 ja 6, 8 3 4 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3, 4.0 bar. Okay, 0.428671 bar. Same 4 by 7. 4 by 7 equals to 4 into 1 by 7. That equals to 4 into 0.142857 bar. That equals to 4 7 ja 28. 4 5 ja 20. 20 plus 2 22. 4 8 ja 32 34. 3 carrying 4 2 ja 8 11. 1 carrying, 4 4 is 16, 17. 4 1 is 4, 5. 1 5 is bar. Okay, 0.571 428 bar. Next, same 5 by 7, that equals to 5 into 1 by 7, that equals to 5 into 0.142857 bar, that equals to 5 into, how I multiply, go to multiplication, 5 7 is 35, 5 5 is 25, 25 28, 2 carrying, 5 4 5 8 is 40, 42, 4 carrying, 5 2 is 10, 14, 1 carrying, 5 4 is 20, 21, 2 carrying, 5 1 is 5, 7.0, 0.714285 bar. Next, 6 by 7, 6 into 1 by 7, 6 into 0.142857 bar, that equals to 6 7 ja 42, 4 carrying, 6 5 ja 30, 34, 3 carrying, 6 8 ja 48, 48, 51, 5 carrying, 5 2 ja, 6 2 ja 12, 5 17, 1 carrying, 6 4 ja 24, 1 25, 2 carrying, 6 1 ja 6, 8, 0.857142 bar. Thank you, students.